Tired of water bottles that leak, sweat, or lose their chill too fast? The Takeya Kids Water Bottle offers a leak-proof lid with a folding straw that seals tight, so you never have to worry about spills in backpacks or classrooms. Plus, its double-wall design keeps the bottle sweat-free, meaning no more soggy papers or wet hands when your child grabs their drink. What really sets this bottle apart is its vacuum insulation. Drinks stay ice-cold all day long, whether your child is sitting through school lessons or running around on the soccer field. The protective bumper adds durability and muffles any clatter when it's set down, making it classroom-friendly. And with a wide loop handle, it's easy to carry or clip onto a backpack, keeping hydration within reach during every activity. I've seen firsthand how this bottle fits into an active kid's day. One parent shared how their son loved the bottle's design but struggled with cleaning the straw lid at first. After some trial and error, including a dishwasher run, the bottle stayed fresh and mold-free. That kind of real-world feedback shows this bottle is built for everyday use, with a little care. If you're looking for a reliable, kid-friendly water bottle that balances practicality with durability, the Takeya Kids Water Bottle is worth a look. It's designed to keep kids hydrated and refreshed without fuss, so you can feel confident in what they're drinking from morning till evening. Try it when you're ready to upgrade your child's hydration game.